Has come up with a biodegradable, broad-spectrum antimicrobial disinfectant that has been proven to fight against the virus that causes COVID-19. It has received approval from both Health Canada and the EPA. Here to tell us more about this step forward in the fight against COVID-19 is Jeanette Henderson, Chief Marketing Officer with Biosenta. Good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So this is pretty big because we know there's a lot of disinfectants out on the market, but one now that specifically targets COVID-19 and the virus. How did this come together?
This has been years in the making of this disinfectant. Our unique formula has the ability to go ahead and penetrate the walls of the cell so the formula can get inside and destroy it from the inside out, and leave nothing behind other than a protective barrier of a safe ingredient that's completely non-toxic and food grade, actually.
How effective is it then?
It's highly effective. Yeah, 99.9% effective against viruses.
So we're learning that, or maybe there's some more information you can share with us, to how much COVID could potentially stay on a surface. Where are things at with that right now in terms of what we should know in the public that, does it stay on a surface for a very long time, and is that necessary to be able to cleanse that surface?
Yeah, absolutely. My understanding, I'm just marketing, I'm not our chemist or research and development, but my understanding, it can stay on the surface for days. Our product has the ability, like I mentioned, to stay on the surface and continue to protect and prevent regrowth.
So it creates kind of a bit of a barrier then?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's an invisible barrier, naked to the eye, and like I said, it's completely non-toxic. It's a food-grade ingredient.
Where can people get it?
Right now, it's for sale on our website. We were hoping to launch early 2021, but because we see the numbers climbing in cases of COVID and the shutdowns, and we know we have a product that is extremely effective. Our CEO, Am Gill, was leading the team, and he said, you know what, now's the time, and let's get it out there. So people can visit our website at www.biosenta.com, or alternatively, they can send us an email at sales@biosenta.com, and we'd be happy to help them.
Now, you're a Canadian company based out of Calgary. You've also, as we mentioned there, received approval from both Health Canada and the FDA and the EPA. Did all those approvals take some time, or did they all follow through the way any product like this would have to be approved?
Absolutely. Yeah, no, they take time for sure. After all the lab tests are conducted and finished, and then you submit the lab reports and you submit the research papers, and there's a lot of communication back and forth, and that's how it goes. And we understand, Health Canada wants the best for Canadians, and I think they understand the unique properties of this product and how it can fight viruses and bacteria and such. So I think that's what they're helping us with here.
Where do you expect to see this? I mean, are we talking large scale like in hospitals or in people's homes?
Everything, actually. We are approved for domestic residential use, industrial use, restaurants, shopping malls, anything you can think of, and also we're medical approved to be used in medical and hospital grade levels.
Is there plans for expansion upon that?
Absolutely, yeah. There's more innovation coming. We actually have a 4-year deal signed with the University of Calgary to further explore just how far we can take this innovation, and we're very excited with early findings already. But I won't speak too much to that just yet. We want to conclude some of those studies first, but it's very promising, very exciting. We're so proud to be a Canadian company, and we're really hoping to have the opportunity to just grow and bring diversity to our economy and bring jobs and just help. Our passion is to help others, and that's what we're trying our best to do.
Does it have a specific name, the product?
Well, right now we have True Disinfectant, and that's what we're discussing right now. And our other product that we're working on right now is the Tri-Filler, and people can learn more on our website.
All right, innovative stuff right here in Canada against the fight against COVID-19. Jeanette Henderson, Chief Marketing Officer with Biosenta Incorporated. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.